Well, hey guys, we got a banger for you today. $50 Chalice Collectibles Easter Grail Hunt Mystery Box. And we have a pickup from Funko that you guys have been asking me about for a minute. Didn't know where it was. It was in the pile of boxes. We're going to open that now. If that sounds like a lot of fun, sit back, relax, and stay tuned. Well, hey everybody, welcome back. My name's Adam, the BeardofPOP. Thank you for coming today. Everybody who's a regular over here, welcome back. Everybody who's new, please take a moment to smash that like button. If you like this video and like what I'm doing, please bless me with a subscription. All right, guys, we got a couple things. I'm super excited. We got this Easter Grail Hunt from Chalice Collectibles. Don't do those boxes very often, but do have good luck when we do. And I've got this pickup that we're going to get to first and foremost from the Funko shop. You guys have been asking me, Adam, did you get this? Adam, did you get it? And I ordered it, and then I kind of forgot about it, and then I already had some videos planned, and it didn't fit, and blah, 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 blah. I'm a YouTuber, and now I have it. And some of you may have seen it, but I'm sure a lot of you who are normally sticking around will be happy to know that I have it. But we have the 25th anniversary edition, limited to only 25,000 piece Funko Shop Batman. Now, I did get the Lotsa from that All Things M. Henry video. If you guys haven't seen it, please go check it out. It's a couple weeks ago. They sent me that box, and one of them was that WonderCon Lotso. It wasn't something I was going to order myself, but definitely going to keep them because I do like the look of these steel cases. I'm gonna need to figure out a way to display these. But it comes in the metal tin, and then it has this little slip cover on it. And just like with the Lotsa, it has some tape on it, and I was able to slide it up because I don't want to rip it or hurt it, because I want to put it back together in the box, or if I ever want to store it, I still want to keep the surround to it. So we're going to try to go really carefully so we can get this off without actually hurting it. So then when we go to pack it back up, you can put it back around it. And I did it with Lotsa. It took a minute, but there we go. Very nice. Just have to be careful and patient. So guys, here it is in all its glory. I'm pretty excited about it. I mean, you've got the, we're going to go ahead and pull some of this out of here. The Lotsa was a little easier. Huh? We've got the little Batman pin right there to celebrate the 25th anniversary. Very nice little pin. Love my pins. Go ahead and put that back in there in its nice and safe home for a pin. We've also got like the little Pop Classics 2500 piece Batman, let's call it a challenge coin kind of deal. Very cool. Very cool. Something to include in the packaging. And then of course we have the Batman 25th anniversary edition Funko Pop Classic cards. Very cool. They always come a little damaged because when they shove them in the box, I think. I don't know. But a very cool little card that comes with it for the display. And then, you know, last but definitely not least is the Batman. This one's sweet. He's got the little stand and everything, and he's got the 25-year sticker, and he's in this really cool metallic box. And let's go ahead and just crack him open. I want to see him. And I know you guys might want to see him out of box too if you haven't already seen him. So let's go ahead and pull him out of box. And just like Lotsa, he's on his own little stand that says Year 1. This one has a really cool little Easter egg of a little tiny bat symbol right there. And he does come off of his base. And he does have feet that have different size holds to force him to be oriented the way that they'd like on the base. And he's a very, very nice pop. Very nice pop. Like the Batman one a lot. Ordered the Batman one on my own. Love the boxes on these. So, alright guys. We've seen the Batman. Now we've got the Chalice right here. $50 Easter Grail Hunt Chalice Collectibles. 50 bucks. I think it was like, honestly, after tax and shipping, almost 70, but you know, that's how it goes. And let's take a look and see what we got in here. All right, the first one that we have is, boom, Snake Man Luffy Special Edition Funko. Oh, very cool pop. I was going to try to watch One Piece on your recommendations, but there's a lot of episodes, and I don't know if I'll ever have time to watch it, so I probably won't. That has that new Funko Specialty Series sticker. I don't have one of those yet. The special edition stickers. I don't have one of those yet, but that's definitely a very cool pop in good condition and a nice pop protector. Not a surprise I got a box from Chalice and I'm pulling anime pops. Alright, the second pop we have is, 20-year anniversary Toy Tokyo Notorious B.I.G. with Crown, the gold edition right there, guys. That's a pretty cool one, isn't it? I already have this one. This is a very cool one. I know this holds a little bit of value, so I definitely know I'm going to at least get my value back, because you always do when you do these boxes from Chalice Collectibles. We got one pop left in the box. Hopefully it's a Grail. I don't know, but I really would like it to be the Grail. Oh, is that? Oh, I don't know if this is the one worth that much, but this is the Matt Murdock Entertainment Earth exclusive from Spider-Man No Way From Home. I actually don't have this one yet, and this is a cool one to add to the collection. I'd really like to add this one. Definitely a cool one. Very, very cool. Very cool. So guys, what did you think of this $50 Chalice box? What did you think of the total? What did you think of the shipping cost? What did you think of the pops that they included in the box? Did you guys grab this 25th anniversary Batman here? Did you guys like these? Do you think it's a bad idea? Do you wish you would have done them different? You need to tell me down below with a comment. Let me know. Light it up. We'll talk about it. We'll see what's going on with it. Also, guys, everybody who joins me every week, thank you. To everybody who's new here, come on, click that subscribe button. Join the BOP family. Check out my Patreon. Check out my channel memberships. Check out all the cool benefits of being part of the BOP family. We've got a great Facebook group. Go over there. It's free. We have lives on Wednesday nights. It's an absolutely great time over here, guys. Lots of great people, lots of support. It's a lot of fun. So please, once again, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. Please make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you think of this stuff. I like your opinions. If you have any ideas for future videos or boxes you want me to get, let me know. If you have anything you want to send me, check it out down below, guys. But this has been a blast. Thank you, Chalice, for another great box. Thank you, Funko, for a 25th anniversary edition Batman. We had a blast. But for now, guys, you know how it goes. This video's over, and BeardofPOP's out.